This is kind of a 1911 day for me. I'm shooting several of my 1911s out here. This happens to be a Colt Officers model is what they call it. It's got a 3.5-inch barrel, stainless. This one is a Colt. It's a Commander model. It's a 4-inch barrel, and this is in 38 Super. So it's a different cartridge. This is 45 caliber, and this is 38 Super. I call the 38 Super. It's like a 9mm on steroids. Same way I reference 10mm and 40 caliber. It's 10mm. It's a 40 caliber on steroids. Basically the same thing. This is a 9mm on steroids, and this is an actual 45. And then I've got one more here in my other holster over here. This is a full size. It's a 5-inch barrel, 70 series, and this is a chromed. It isn't stainless. It's chrome. Oh, looks like it's chromed anyway. But it's a regular 1911 45 70 series. Then I have another one that is a Gold Cup national match, 70 series, that I'll probably shoot also, which I don't shoot very much because it is kind of a, I wouldn't say a collector's piece, but it's one that you really probably shouldn't be shooting. So that's the 3 different guns I'm going to be shooting here, and this one's going to be, I'll start out with just shooting the Officers model here. Sometimes those brass, they go down behind the thing, burn your eyeballs here. So that was the Officer's model. I'm going to shoot this left-handed or right-handed because it's only got a safety on the right side. So we're going to switch hands here and shoot it right-handed. And that's the government model 1911. And now the 38 Super. This one I can shoot from the left hand because it's got a safety on the left side, so I can just take it off my left hand. So I'm going to shoot this one left-handed. Ooh. Doggone accurate. This is a very accurate pistol. Kind of hung up on one round, which it doesn't normally do. Those are reloads also. That was 3 guns, 3 1911s. Different types. This one's a very nice pistol. This one is a 70 series Gold Cup national match. It's one of my very first pistols that I ever bought, long time ago. But this one is a very nice pistol. Need I say more? Oh! Come on! doggone accurate too. Sometimes I get on that trigger and I don't let it go in. So it's me, it's not the gun. Anyway, this is a Gold Cup National Match 70 series. Very nice, 1911. And that's it.